everyone, so today's video is on how to make your outfit look a lot less basic. So these are little tips and tricks you can do to basic outfits. So a basic black t-shirt, a grey t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a classic black strappy dress. These are all little things you can do just to make them look a lot more fashionable or cooler, or if you just don't really know how to style them. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and everything will be linked down below in the description box, or similar items if they're out of stock. And let's get into it. So there are a couple of ways you can transform the look of your plain t-shirt. So the first way, if you want to make your t-shirt look cropped, you can just tuck the bottom part into your bra, and then you can pull it out as much as you like so it finishes where you would like it to. The next hack is to make your t-shirt look tucked in without actually doing it. So you want to grab one side of your t-shirt and create a ponytail with a hair tie. Then you want to do the exact same on the other side too. And then just flip them both under, and that is it. An easy way to tie your t-shirt is gathering it at the front, twisting it, and then tying it with a hair tie. You can also tuck the little leftover bit under if you don't want it sticking out. One of my favourite ways to dress up a basic outfit is to tie a shirt around my waist. Shirts are such a good way to add a bit of colour or pattern to your look. You can also tuck your t-shirt under like I just showed you, and then wear your shirt over the top. That's also a really cool way to dress up a very basic outfit. And these hacks work with any t-shirt you might have, so slogan t-shirts, big oversized ones, any of them. When it comes to sweatshirts, the same hacks also work on them to crop them, but I also like doing a half tuck. I think that can instantly make your outfit look a lot more stylish. So if you wanted to dress up a basic cami and jeans look, a good place to start is by adding a belt. And then I'm just putting my satin shirt over the top, and to get that really nice wrap effect at the front, I'm tucking one corner of the shirt in and then pulling the other corner over it and tucking it in over that. You can also style your shirts over the top of dresses. So here I'm just buttoning it up halfway down, and then I'm picking up the leftover fabric, tying it, and then tying it again and tucking it under. This is a really good way to shorten your dress too if it's too long for you, because you can kind of pull it up and hide it underneath the tuck. Another way to style a basic dress is to put your sweatshirt over it and then use the tuck-in trick to make it look cropped. you have a strappy dress but you don't want to wear it just on its own, take a t-shirt, put it over the top, and you can do the tuck-in hack again, that always works really well, or you can just tie it up at the front too. Another way you can style it is to wear your t-shirt or long sleeve top underneath the dress. And then if you're just going to wear a basic jeans and a t-shirt look, again, tie a shirt around your waist is such an easy go-to, or if you're wearing a jacket, instead of putting it on, just rest it on your shoulders. Just by doing that, it can really elevate an outfit. That is it. I really hope you liked this video and that it inspired you to style your basics a little bit differently. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it, because it really helps me out and it does mean a lot to me to have your support. Have a great day. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.